So today we'll be talking about 4Rabbit. So 4Rabbit itself is the oldest site in the betting industry, also one of the most reputed sites as well in the whole world. 4Rabbit has also been backed up by various actors, and also 4Rabbit has been backed by lots of brands as well. So it's a pretty secure site in itself. Also they offer lots and lots of options when it comes to casinos as well as on the sports level. Now sports, you will be getting some options of cricket like IPL and test matches or whatever the segments are going on in the cricket industry. Also you will get to see some sports like volleyball, basketball, American rugby, baseball, foosball, softball, and also there are lots of options when it comes to table tennis and badminton as well. You will also get some racing options to choose from like dog racing and horse riding as well. Hockey option has also been added in 4Rabbit in these recent months. So do check the 4Rabbit site for that as well if you are a pretty big fan when it comes to its sports segment. Now if we talk about 4Rabbit's casino criteria, casino has lots of options to choose from on the site as well. There are lots of options like blackjack, roulette, andarbhar, Teen Patti and other card games are also available on 4Rabbit. 4Rabbit also offer lots of live tournaments when it comes to blackjack tables and the roulette table as well. Also it offers two other options of languages, that is English option and the other one is Hindi option as well. You can also get live tournaments in Hindi language when it comes to blackjack and roulette tables as well. As 4Rabbit is the oldest site, it offers easy and very fast deposit and withdrawals to choose from. Just keep in mind that you have to choose the same medium in the deposit as well as the same medium in the withdrawal section as well. Like if you are using UPI medium as of transferring the deposit as well as taking out the money via withdrawals, then you have to choose the same medium in general when it comes to your money. Like if you are using UPI in the deposit section, you have to choose the UPI option as well in the withdrawal criteria as well. So there are lots of options to choose from when it comes to deposits and withdrawals like UPI, bank transfer, NEFTs, major cards of major banks, debit cards and credit card. Also WhatsApp Pay is also available on the site in these recent months. Also cryptocurrencies payments are also applicable now on 4Rabbit. On live chat, the chat is dead completely. They will not help you out on live chat, but yes, if you email them they will help you out, but takes a lot of time to grab their attention. Takes between 16 to 24 hours when it comes to solution providing by their customer service. Also the verification for bank transfers takes a lot of time, which takes up to 24 hours to 36 hours. Yes, that's right, 1 day to 1.5 day it takes up to check up the verification process, and it is very goddamn slow as I have told you before. Now the main part of it is that 4Rabbit is oldest, reputed as well as very secure site, so you don't have to worry about your money or hard-earned money as well. 4Rabbit also offers lots of bonuses and other offers cashbacks as well for new clientele, to attract new clientele, and also their loyal clients also get some of the freebies on a monthly basis. And they also offer affiliate programs, so if you cooperate with someone else or if you affiliate their link to your friends, you also get a piece of small pie to your bank accounts. So this was my overall review on 4Rabbit site. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also if you are new, don't forget to join the Telegram group. Links will be in the description box for the group as well as the 4Rabbit site. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep betting.